Happy birthday, dear Jackson. Happy birthday to you. Can you blow out the candle? Can you blow out the candle? No, we're not going to get him interested in fire. Yay!
Yeah.
Oh boy. Here goes nothing. It's all yours.
Maybe hold the thing so it doesn't slide off the...
Yeah, maybe it'll do. Yeah, there. Just that.
Get it!
I don't think he knows. He's like, what am I allowed to do with this?
Yeah.
He's like, this isn't
I don't know if
good.
it'll come off. Will you have a spatula?
Maybe we have our cake.
Put your whole mouth on it, buddy. Get it!
Get it.
Oh, that was funny where he was putting his mouth on it. Here, want to help? Oh my gosh.
He's like, yeah.
It's kind of sweet, isn't it, buddy?
I like German chocolate, Mom. What is it?
This camera's not working anymore.
Just be right here.
Do you want to?
Poor kid.
I don't think it's
No, it
gonna.
won't.
Yeah.
You need a spatula.
I think it's fine because then he wouldn't be able to do it.
Sure, I'm not standing up there.
You gotta get to the chocolate part. That's the best.
Good job, buddy.
He was like,
Grab a spatula and then it'll come out.
You're the best, bud.
oh,
Cute.
Good job, buddy.
Get ready to wear one for just a minute. Hey.
Oh, we should put the hat on him.
Oh yeah.
Does he like Elmo or Big Bird or birthday hat?
I did forget. You're
Eat the
right.
whole thing.
he's like, but I can't stop. It tastes so
So good.
I don't know if he'll take it, but we can try it.
Yeah, you're Monster's best. Cookie Monster's best.
Get it! Smash!
You're so awesome, bud. Party hat?
I do want a party hat. I think you need to talk to Walmart about their smash cake.
It's so hard.
A little hard. Should we break it apart?
Yeah, sure.
Jackson got the other party hat.
Oh.
That could break apart.
There we go. Oh.
What?
Grammy, what did you do?
Yeah.
He growls.
Mommy, here you go. It's a party hat. On my
Can you
head.
eat it?
Okay. It's saying golden.
Can you eat it?
Thank you, sweetheart.
And we get in and find out the inside's not real.
It was a display.
That's why they threw it in.
Look, Jackson. Look, Jackson. Look. Extra hat. It's the same story.
Oh, look at that.
There we go.
Sweet.
All this time.
I don't think he's short.
No. You don't have to.
In your mouth, bud.
Is that good?